Barbell sumo squats or wide squats. Keyword is squat. What that means is that our knee is going to flex and extend. Our hips are not the main driver, unlike the deadlifts. So wide sumo implies a wide stance. What is wide? Wide is going to be wider than your shoulders, and you can work your way out. I always want you to feel most comfortable with the exercise. So the barbell is 100% across my feet. Here's my setup. I'm going to bend my knees. Unlike the deadlift, I'm actually going to squat down much further, but my arms are going to stay stiff and straight. Notice how wide they are. It's about slightly not as wide as my shoulders. My arms are stiff, my knees will extend, and then I'll come back into this low sitting position. Inhale, exhale. Barbell stays extremely close to the body. Watch me bend my knees. Unlike the deadlift, I'm not pushing my hips back. Down. 1 second up. 3, 2, 1. Down. Enjoy the exercise.